Once again, our top story, the hero who has saved our city countless times, has turned against us. More on this unprecedented breaking development as we head to our reporter on the ground.
You see? It's been you all along, Flash. Now do you believe me?
No. This is one of your illusions, that's it. Iris, Cecile, you have to believe me.
Enough! This ends now! Fitting that I end your life with the undying fire of my home world.
You look like death warmed over.
I need your help.
Barry, what the hell is going on?
Injustice.